Hello, and welcome to the episode on matching your resume to the job description. To increase your chances of getting called for an interview, you must tailor your resume to the role you're applying for. Over 90% of large companies use applicant tracking systems, known as ATS. It is a software that automatically filters applications based on criteria chosen by recruiters, such as keywords, skills, former employers, years of experience, and schools attended. If your resume isn't optimized to go through the ATS, you'll most likely not be invited to an interview. The best way to hack the ATS system is by making sure your resume's keywords match the ones in the job description. In this case, the ATS will understand that your profile is an excellent match for the role, and you'll be shortlisted. There are automated ways to do this. For example, with JobScan. This is how it works. Upload your resume and the job description of the role that you are applying for on JobScan. Then JobScan will run a keyword analysis and provide a matching score from 0 to 100. The closer the score is to 100, the better your resume matches the job description and the higher your chances are to pass the ATS phase. JobScan also provides specific analysis on how much your hard and soft skills match the role requirements. With this information, JobScan will offer a few suggestions to improve your resume. Some of them are only available on a premium plan. Still, you can do the adjustments yourself and run the adjusted versions again until you get an excellent matching score. Another alternative is to find out the most common words in the job description and include them in your resume. That way, your resume is a mirror of the job description. A more automated method is to use a word counting tool, such as Count Words Free or Word Counter. They provide statistics of the most common words for any text you upload on their website. Once you have found out the most common words, replicate them in your resume. By now, you might be thinking if you will need to create a different resume for each role that you apply for. The answer is yes. It requires effort and time, but it will increase your chances of being invited to the first interview. Before jumping into writing your resume, take some time to understand the job description. List the top required skills and action verbs used to describe the role. They must be included in your resume. In the next episode, we'll learn how to pick the right format and layout for your resume. I'll see you there.